Sat Sri Akal and good morning all. It's 13th September and Sunday 2020, a unknown place. You see here my son of good friend will connect to my soul. Friend from different district, mohalla and different home. The connectivity and the good bond between the human and the creation of God, nature. I love all. It's a relation of deep dependability, reliability, called love, the elegance of God manufacturing. You see here. Now the cup of tea is not mine, biscuit is not mine, and even snacks is not mine. All robbed by my numerous, beautiful, lovely, and fantabulous sweet friend. They are all mine. They are all mine. I win all with the strategy of love,